On Florida's Space Coast, there's one name homeowners trust when it comes to concrete coatings: AmVet. Veteran-owned, Penntek certified, and built to withstand anything the Florida sun throws your way. All backed by a lifetime warranty. Hey Bob, Mark Huseman, AmVet Concrete Coating. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Mark, you build a great company.
We tried to hire another concrete coating company and they were terrible. So then we called AmVet. And your team was amazing.
Let me ask you about it, because you had Kaylee and Fred were your installers. When they came out, did they go over the job with you and talk about all the points that you were upset with and the things that you wanted addressed?
They did.
They did a walk around with you?
Everything, every single point, and anything I pointed out, they took care of. The first people that did it, their process was horrible. That's all I can say. AmVet's wonderful.
This is a polyurea. It's made by Penntek out of Minnesota. We've been using it for 5 years now, and the reason we use it is honestly it's the best in the world. To keep this product new and fresh, they keep redesigning it. We keep working together so that we can give you a patio that looks like this.
Everything's wonderful. I recommend AmVet as much as I possibly can, and personally, I think you're foolish if you go with anybody else.
We're proud to serve our community with coatings that last. We don't cut corners, and we only use Penntek because it's the best product on the market. Pool decks, patios, garages, driveways, whatever you've got, we can coat it. Fast, flawless, and Florida tough. Call AmVet Concrete Coatings, the Space Coast exclusive Penntek dealer. Lifetime warranty, veteran strong. Hey Bob, I see that other company gave you one of their little gimmicky toys there. I want to replace it. Since we replaced your coating, let's just take this and get rid of it.
Yeah, throw that in the trash.
Every time you look at this, you remember that AmVet came and saved you.
AmVet did come and save me. If there's anyone that could have saved me, I guess it was AmVet. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Bob.